dick.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we left off pretty busy, still are extremely busy. We're wrapping up Mike's car now after Jeff finished up all the welding, the wastegates, downpipe, etc. Another cool thing we recently just purchased is a brand new bend pack quick jack. What is it? Bend pack quick jack? Is that how you say it? The goal eventually is, once we get the new shop, to get another lift, but this so far has been extremely useful for brake jobs, coilovers, fender rolling, stuff like that. So instead of having to get a car in a lift, some cars are a little too low. As you guys can see, this thing just slides right under, and it's extremely easy to work with. It goes up to 5,500 pounds. It goes up, I mean, as you can see, pretty high. This is first try, first reaction. Something so stupid as this, but watch how high this thing actually goes. So I'm really excited that we made this purchase, because it makes it easier to not have to take other cars off the lift and just slide this under a car and do what you got to do. And then we're gonna walk over here and see what's up with Kyle, as he is, as you can see now, Mike's interior put back together. Everything's wired up, accommodating the health. Wait, what ECU did you get, Kyle? Haltech Elite 2500. Kyle's putting in the R35 coil pack kit. After that, I'm going to help him button the rest of the stuff up on the car. So starter, alternator, and then from there, we have to connect 2 fuel lines, one from the regulator, one to the return. And then realistically, we can at least hear this thing crank or try to start. And then from there, once we know that it's, you know, functioning, so to speak, that's when we start finishing it. I mean, I'd say what, like 95% done?
Yeah.
It's pretty damn close to being done. We're shooting for the 25th to have this finished, so then Martin can work his magic, put a base map on it. That way Mike can drive it for a while, get some miles on it, then retune it before Gatlinburg, which it seems like everybody's going to this event. So I kind of think we might make the trip out there, stay for the weekend. And yeah, I'm super hyped. Got another beautiful customer car here. The white S14 Kuki we had mentioned. This is now in for more upgrades. This is in for a fuel cell setup, AM340 external fuel pump, and new lines. We recently, you know, as you guys saw before, did all the other everything to it essentially. We also have another announcement to make, which kind of blew all of us away because nobody knew about this. So we now own the 2.8 car. As of
What the fuck?
as of
What
yet.
the fuck?
So car got tuned. It's driving awesome. We're in the break-in period right now. A couple hundred more miles. And yeah, we're sitting here at the shop, and Mr. RBPOWER himself was like, "Yeah, I bought Mitch's car," and we all just kind of like looked at each other. We're like, "What?" And he's like, "Yeah, I made him a really good offer, and I bought it." I'm like, "Why and why not?" So now we have 4 GTRs in the fleet. No, 3. He's got 3.
Yeah.
But yeah, 4.
So 4
mine,
overall.
The black one, the gray one, his red one. We have.
If you want to count Ethan's GTST and Marina's, that's more Skylines.
Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Like 7
5,
Skylines.
6. We have 7 RB powered cars right now. 8 with my 240 included. And yeah, I'm pretty hyped because this car is going to be fast. I mean, just from the dyno when we were doing the braking period, you could hear how quick these turbos want to kick in. I mean, now you see it as whole, complete, buttoned up. I mean, it's a beautiful car. Honestly, it's a very nice car. It's extremely clean. I mean, you've seen the underside of it and everything. But yeah, as I said before, pretty cool. We recently just installed an APR carbon front splitter. I actually made this fit off a 370Z, so we cut it accordingly, and I think it, you know, it fits really nicely. Custom carbon splitters, well, canards, and then a top secret rear diffuser, as well as N1 side spats. And then shout out to the best sponsor ever, Stage Wheels. Thank you, Bill. We have a set of 18x10 Monroes coming in, the probably the most favorite wheel out of his entire, I say, fleet. 18 by 10 square. We're gonna be doing a 275/35 either NT01 Nitto tire, or depending on what price I can get for 888s. They're very pricey. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, let me know what you guys think if you like it. Like I said, all new aero bits, and we have a GT wing coming shortly. Roni's car's up and running now properly. We got the new TPS, O2s. I mean, it's been busy. Even Andis himself bought, where'd it go? Another BMW.
Where is your other BMW?
Business call. What?
How much?
Sorry about that. Business call. Need somebody to get his fenders rolled. But yeah, I'm
Oh,
you know,
that was you just calling just now?
yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. Sorry, breaking the fourth wall. But yeah, so I'm hyped.
There is no fourth wall.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I tried to sound funny. Shut up, Leo. Whatever. All right, we're going back in the shop because it's raining.
Yeah, you said 200.
Pretty hyped, and yeah, man. You know, it's just like we said before. We're trying to put out content. It's just I was in Greece for a while, and obviously that got finished up. So yeah, now we're back on track. Everything's going according to plan, and yeah, let's get back to work.
We're gonna put a T3 flange on here. We're gonna also clear the hood. This manifold had the turbo sitting up real high. It was,
Oh yeah, that's right. It wasn't clearing either.
yeah, it was probably used on a swap car or something like that, or they had cut their hood. But trying to get the turbo to clear the hood. We're gonna do 2 wastegate dumps, and then we're gonna bring the 3-inch downpipe all the way to it. So
That's crazy, man. That looks so clean, bro.
yeah, we got nice.
The work is amazing.
Nice manifold. It's got some stainless schedule piping on there, so nice thick. You know, the longevity of it. It'll last for a long time. And,
Nice.
yeah, just a little tweaking here and there. When you move one thing, it manipulates the whole thing. So then you got to alter a little bit at a time, and then it'll all come together in the end, man.
That's awesome, Jeff.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Cool. I'm gonna let you keep doing your thing, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you keep doing your thing here, but yeah, look at that, man. Everything, just the way everything's being lined up.
Yeah, buddy.
Everything's been cut. It's so cool. Mocked up. It's literally piece by piece by piece.
Yeah,
Perfection. What do you think?
It's all right.
What a it's all right, he says.
No, it's gonna be sick. Gangster. That's what it is. And I know Mike's happy because this is gonna look really. It's like this is like the perfect blend of not full show car, but still a car you can get in and drive every day, but still look very show worthy and very tidy and clean. So I'm hyped for him.
Good
Yeah.
components, everything.
Yeah,
man.
everything.
It's all
Mike,
there.
Mike always buys quality stuff. He knows better.
Absolutely.
So I'm super hyped.
All right, cool.
This is close. Close to
Yes,
being done.
it's getting close. That is the truth.
Once this is done, I essentially need to wire it up. Then when Kyle gets back next week, he's got to finish the inside, which is the digital dash, the ECU master setup, because Mike not altered, but opted for the whole Haltech setup. It's basically a full Haltech harness for all the extra sensors and stuff like this and all that. So like this is a whole new engine harness essentially. I'm kind of out of my realm of expertise when it comes to wiring that up. So when Kyle gets back from his honeymoon, we get to finish this up. So
Sweet.
yeah.
Started right here. I cut the bend back and the first cut on the bottom piece because these were one was on the bottom, and I took the whole fitting out. I'm gonna do the same trajectory with this piece going into it so I can still utilize that piece. The only thing that'll happen is this will have to get cut back because I brought the whole piece back, as well as the merge right here where it's gonna transition to the T3 now. So you see it's in line with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Once I get that tuned up real nice, I'll
Add
put that piece in there, cut that back, drop in. That's
Perfect,
it.
bro.
Yeah,
Well,
buddy. Let's get it.
That's great work, man. Great work.
Yeah, it's about looking ahead and taking little steps at a time, because if you make the wrong cut, then you just made a lot more work for yourself than originally you had. So just strategically thinking about what you're doing and what needs to happen to manipulate every piece to where it's desired. So, let's get at it.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
And plus both wastegates are going to be basically top and bottom, right?
Yeah, they'll be right here and right
That's
here.
perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
I know that before it was like, yeah, just did not
Yeah,
make
this
much
one
sense.
had this piece on there,
Yeah.
so it had 3 or 4 welds and one within 2 inches. So chopped all that out because it was interfering with the valve cover already.
That's going to look a lot cleaner too, a lot nicer.
Yeah, the one wastegate will dump down behind the AC condenser, and then this one will dump through here down by the down pipe.
Sweet.
Be cool.